I'm Sahana. Currently, I'm doing BSc. I'm from Chikbalapur. Even I was a kind of a girl with having lot of hesitation, fear, and shyness. I was searching for the platform to transform myself, but I got heaven called Superstar Students and Parents. Today, I'm very happy and proud to be a part of Superstar Students and Parents. It's a great privilege for me. I would like to thank to Ramana sir for creating such a wonderful, great opportunity for all the students with a selfless vision and mission to create a powerful, vibrant student community with a powerful leadership quality to build a healthy, wealthy, happy, secure, and safety nation. Here we are getting education with values like life education, health education, wealth education, along with that personal development training. With the help of the Halo study models, I improved a lot in academic education. Even I can say that it is the key to unlock our academic potential. And also we are getting here guidance and awareness about our cultures like parents' first priority, brothers and sister culture, do what is right. If you are the person looking for the opportunity to transform yourself, to accomplish your dreams, with the right guidance in a right path to associate with the right people, here is the right solution with the right platform. Without making much more delay, let's join your hands to learn more, to build a happy nation and make our parents proud together. Thank you so much.